Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making my version of green seasoning. Green seasoning is widely used in the Caribbean to season chicken, meat and fish when making stews, curries, barbecues and other dishes. Green seasoning adds that extra layer of flavor to Caribbean food. I keep mine simple and use ginger, garlic, fresh thyme, spring onions and Chadon Beni, also known as bandania. You can find Chadon Beni in most Asian supermarkets here in the UK. I also use coriander when I do not have Chadon Beni, which is most times as coriander is readily available in my local supermarket. I also use Podena, also known as Spanish thyme, but this is optional. You can also add jalapenos in place of pimentos, which is traditionally used in Trinidad, and Scotch bonnet pepper to crank up that heat. But I leave these out and prefer to add during the cooking process. Now I add all the ingredients to my blender. Then add a tip of water and blend. Look at that lovely green, rich color. It's so lovely. Here I've blended the seasoning into a smooth consistency. Other times I keep it a bit coarse or chunky, or even use an electric chopper with no added water. It all depends on the dish I'm cooking. You can see here I've used a deep bowl and blitzed with a hand blender, which is another option to blend your green seasoning. This is where I've used coriander instead of Chadon Beni, and I use double the amount compared to the Chadon Beni, as Chadon Beni is much stronger than coriander. After blending, I sometimes use the green seasoning straight away or bottle it and keep it in the fridge for up to 3 to 5 days. And that's all it takes to make a lovely green seasoning to amp up the flavor in your dishes. Hey guys, thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. If you enjoyed, please do give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. See you in my next video. Bye.